Mizoram Sarkar IMPR le Mizoram Film Forum te tikanin helaya Goa International Film Festival of India Golden Jubilee mangturin kan min select ve ga lom kop maya kan hau tu te chunga polom tu ka soya atinga mun ro pui ka gal ve te hi ka lom tak sitani chuan dan hi dar thum ve tangin program hi opening ceremony ka program ka tran so ni dona chu tang hotel tangin kan phei anga chon tu rahin kan hau tu ten thulangang te min ti sak meka chon hi kan ka ID nia athop mai he kan ID te kan nei to a he nia he athop mai tingan orve ava do ni opening ceremony lam panduri kan kal le don hai roommate ni ya putinga ani hi film star tun ma tangpo kan lo mer shek khania ani hi he kan re du nai ta hian fel khop mai Joan tianin ifi anti na huna opening anti na mun dura chung kan pheyanga motoring kan chete kan ju join don ni kan don ni Olans kan ai zo Joan tianin program function na huna kan kal don ani motora kan chung na de kuni da chung na
Hello, ta kan chung ne? Kan chung sa ne?
Seat belt hi tinghe tur ni
Yes.
kwa chon ko pui ni to an
Singal ru ko le mangan
ko pi to phone
phone
security port tight belt ko ba hai
to la yanin
to la hun so do ni pui don ko ba
ai ye ko ba kan ba ne
Thank you.
traffic police ko
Kita ke sebut apa lah.
anong kal
Kita tak nak cakap yang macam
lahi parking muna niya
water bottles.
Guys, want hello more. I don't try.
di yanin kan lu don hai kai ma khom mega yan
His fans start to call him Talaiba. After making his humble debut in 1975, Rajnikant has since then become a symbol of Indian cinema. His unique and inimitable performances have struck a chord with millions of his fans spread across the world. Having performed in several Indian languages, Rajnikant has explored the entire spectrum of human emotion through his craft. Apart from entertainment, his artistic choices have often shed light on subjects of social and political relevance. Inspiring over 1 billion people, his characters have given a voice to the voiceless. A recipient of many state and national honors, including the Padma Awards, Rajnikant is a true icon of humility, grace, and compassion.